Installing the PC client. We're logging into the portal here using Entra ID. When the user or administrator is logged in, you can see download links for the PC client within My Documents. Click the download link for either Windows or Mac to download a pre-configured client. When downloaded, run the installer with local administrator rights, and the client will be installed for this tenancy and set to OAuth 2 login. It will be pre-authorized in endpoints. By logging into the PC client, it will synchronize printers, and you can start printing. Here we are sending some documents to a secure queue. By refreshing the portal, you can see the documents are waiting for release.